It's still this percentage of correctness is crazy. You're hitting the middle of the road and you're right on with all these predictions. It's crazy.
Well, I think that's just,
I mean, statistically.
yeah. Well, I think that just shows you the power of AI. And I like the analogy I came up with, and that is, in a world where everything has been behind curtains, once you get in behind the curtain and understand it, it's not that complicated. And I like the analogy of brain surgery. You start by shaving the head. Then you cut the top off the head, you remove it, you open it up, you look at the brain. And if you do it enough times, it just becomes easy. And that's what I think I have found in the stock market. Stocks move because their revenues go up, their earnings go up, and they become more efficient at making money. And it's that easy. Then all you got to watch out for is what happened today.
I buy your stuff. I'm telling you, I'm up 580% in the last 6 months. It's crazy.
Yeah.
It's absolutely crazy.
What did you do or do you do for a living, Ralph?
I'm a purchasing agent for a fastener distributor.
Why are you working?
What's that?
Why are you working anymore if you can do this?
I made more in this.
I know.
I make a year's pay in a day. It's stupid. It's stupid. Turning 70 in 3 weeks. I'm getting my Social
But I mean,
Security.
you go to people and you say, you aren't going to believe this. You aren't going to believe what's happening.
It's stupid. It's crazy. To make a year's pay in a day.